Hey guys, it's Takisa and I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a review on some hair that I received from Glamm hair, and I'm just going to be showing you guys what I received, how the hair feels, how it smells, and anything else that was sent to me that is in the packaging, and I will be doing another video with me wearing the hair. I plan on making a unit out of this hair and coloring this hair as well, so I'll tell you guys how that holds up and how it went for me in the next video. This video is just the initial like unboxing or like unpackaging video, just to show you guys how it comes to you and what all it entails. So if you want to see how this hair is and what it comes with, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I have the hair here in the postal office packaging, and I'm just gonna pull out everything that's in the bag. And everything that I have here is packaged nicely. I received a detangling brush for my hair, which is very nice, and it's pink. I'm gonna take that out and see how it feels. And this has multiple bristles, so small ones and big ones as well. A lot of the detangling brushes that I have for my natural hair come like this, and they're kind of expensive. These are like $15 brushes at Walgreens, so this is a nice brush. I can already tell that it's not like cheap. So yeah, this came in my package with the hair. The hair actually comes in a box like so. This is how the hair came in this gold box, and the actual hair, there's nothing in this box, so I'm just gonna sit that to the side. But the actual hair comes in this pink bag that says Glamm hair, and it has like the website and the contact number for customer service, I believe. And I'm just gonna open the package, and I'm gonna pull out the hair. I actually received lashes as well, so I'm gonna show you guys the lashes that I got from her. These are in the style SO2, and these are really nice. I love big lashes like this. You guys know I love lashes like this. I'm pretty sure you guys can see it. This is really nice. I like the packaging. It's like in a compact. Let me open it so you guys can actually see the lashes. That's how they came. These are really nice, and these are mink lashes, you guys. So you can wear these multiple times, and all you have to do is just clean them and use them for the next day. The next packaging that I got, or the next package that I got, is her other mink lashes. These are the 3D mink lashes. Yeah, these are the 3D mink lashes. You can see from the side that it's 3D. 3D and regular mink lashes are totally different. If you didn't know, 3D mink lashes are like more natural looking. They look like they're on top of each other, and they look like actual lashes. Regular mink lashes are just straight out and they flare, but these are a different pair. These are actually really nice. I like these. These are like an everyday lash, and these are in the style SO1, and it comes in this cute little white box that is magnetic, so you can put it back in there. So both of these are really nice. You can use the packaging again, so that's really great. A lot of people don't sell it like that, which they need to get that together. But this is really nice. I like how the lashes look. They don't look cheap, and I can't wait to show you guys how they wear. Okay, so to the hair, I'm pulling out the bundles that I received. I actually like this satin bag. This is really nice. It's a nice touch. And I'm gonna pull out all three. I have 3 bundles here. They're straight. This is their Brazilian straight hair, and this is the 12, 14, and 16-inch bundles. And these are very soft, and I don't have any shedding running through my running my fingers through the hair actually right now, and these are pretty thick. These are pretty thick bundles. So when I make my unit, I'm probably gonna make a U part because I don't have a U part, and I don't have a closure yet. So I'm going to make a U part with this hair, and I plan on coloring it. So I want to see how that goes. The hair doesn't have a smell at all. It actually smells really clean, like they wash it for you. It doesn't stink at all. Like, that is a plus. You know how sometimes you get hair from AliExpress, Amazon, regular other hair companies, like, and it stinks? This hair smells so good. Like, this is nice and fresh. It doesn't have any kind of smell to it. It has like a fresh smell to it, which is really great. That's a big plus. And the packaging is her packaging. It says Be Glamm Hair on the package, so that's nice too. I just really like everything that I got. This is really professional. This is really nice. Everything is packaged correctly. Nothing was torn or ripped, and the hair feels amazing. Like, this is some nice hair. I really like it, and I can't wait to use it. If you guys want to see how I color the hair and how it holds up after, and how I actually wear the hair, then be sure to subscribe and put on the notification bell so that you can see my next video on this hair. I love the hair. It actually is really nice, and I just can't wait to use it. I don't know when I'm gonna do it, but I hopefully can do it soon. Okay guys, so that is it for this review. If you guys want to purchase this hair, if you have any questions or anything like that, I have all her information in my description box down below. Be sure to follow her on Instagram and look out for her sales, because I know that it is Valentine's Day around the corner, so be sure to look out for that, and I will see you guys in my next video.